People are buying all kind of random altcoins, hoping to hit the jackpot overnight. But let me tell you the truth, guys, most of them, they won't survive. The only coin that has proven itself over time is Bitcoin. It is not just another cryptocurrency, it is the foundation of the world crypto industry. And in this video, I will break down exactly why BTC is the only coin truly worth holding long time. But here is the thing, guys, the final reason I will share might completely change how you see crypto. There's a reason why the biggest investors, billionaires, and even entire countries are stacking Bitcoin while retail traders keep gambling on altcoins. If you're serious about building wealth in this space, make sure you watch this video to the end because what I will reveal could be the difference between winning and losing in crypto. So let's dive in, guys. Bitcoin was the first ever cryptocurrency created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. It introduced blockchain technology and set the standard for everything we see in crypto today. Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, none of them will exist without Bitcoin. That is why BTC is not just another coin, it is the backbone of the entire crypto industry. So, here is what makes Bitcoin so powerful. There will only ever be 21 million BTC, and that is it, guys. No one can print more, no government can manipulate the supply, and no central bank can decide to stimulate the economy by creating more out of the thin air. And as we all know, scarcity creates value. Every 4 years, there is something called the Bitcoin halving, where mining rewards get cut in half, making it even harder to get BTC. This means fewer new coins are entering circulation, while demand keeps rising. And when supply is limited but demand keeps growing, the price naturally goes up over time. Now, let's compare this to some other big cryptocurrencies. Ethereum does not have a fixed supply, even though some Ethereum get burned. New ones are still being created. So, its total supply can keep increasing over time. Solana also does not have a supply limit. New Solana tokens are added to the system, which means there's always more coming in. But Bitcoin, there will never be more than 21 million BTC, and every 4 years, something called the Bitcoin halving happens. This event caused the number of new BTC that miners can earn, making it even harder to get. Less supply, more demand. What happens? The price naturally goes up over time. So while other coins keep increasing in supply, Bitcoin remains scarce. Bitcoin has the strongest and safest network in the world. It is fully decentralized, meaning no government, no company, and no rich person can control it. Nobody can shut it down, freeze your BTC, or change the rules to favor themselves. It runs on thousands of computers worldwide, making it impossible to stop. That is why banks and government fear BTC, because they have no power over it. Now, let's talk about some other coins that people trusted but got hacked. Running Network was hacked in 2022 and hackers stole over $600 million. This caused the token's price to drop heavily. Solana has gone offline many times due to security issues, making people doubt if it is reliable. BNB Chain, the Binance blockchain, was hacked in 2022 $100 million was also stolen, shaking investors' confidence. But Bitcoin, it has never been hacked, not once. Its security is backed by the largest group of miners in the world using a system called proof of work, which makes it almost impossible to break. While other coins get hacked or shut down, Bitcoin stays strong, and that is why, in the long run, Bitcoin is the only coin you can truly trust. Here is another reason why Bitcoin is the king. Big companies and billionaires are buying it like crazy. Tesla bought over 1.5 billion worth of BTC. MicroStrategy, led by Mike Silo, keeps buying more and now holds over 500,000 BTC. BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world, is making it easier for big investors to get into Bitcoin. El Salvador even made Bitcoin official money in their country. Now, ask yourself, these are some of the richest and smartest investors in the world. They have all the research and data, and they are choosing Bitcoin over random altcoins. Even Mike Salo, one of the biggest investors ever, keeps buying more BTC every chance he gets. Let's be real, guys. Altcoins don't survive. We have seen it happen again and again. Luna crashed to zero. FFT wipe out overnight. Bitconnect straight up scam. But Bitcoin, it is still standing, still leading the market and making people money. If you had held BTC for 5 years, you would be in profit. But if you had held most of these so-called next Bitcoins for long, you would be broke, frustrated, and probably out of crypto. The difference is clear. BTC is built to last. Altcoins, most of them are just hype waiting to die. Bitcoin is money that does not need a bank, does not need a permission, and can be frozen. No middleman, no restrictions, you are in full control. In countries where inflation is out of control, Nigeria, Argentina, Venezuela, people are turning to Bitcoin to protect their money. Why? Because their local currencies keep losing value, but Bitcoin stays strong. Unlike bank money, no one can block your BTC. No government can stop you from using it, and no bank can tell you what to do with your money. This is real financial freedom, the kind of money they don't want you to have. So, here is the bottom line. Bitcoin is the king of crypto. It is scarce, decentralized, secure, and the only asset that has stood the test of time. If you want to build real weight in crypto, stop gambling on meme coins and altcoins and start focusing on BTC. Do you agree that BTC is the only coin worth holding? Let me know in the comments, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more crypto contents like this.